Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think something's happening. So, let me just roll this on in the background. Okay. So, if we're in luck now. Sorry, I had a problem with my audio. My audio wasn't working at all. If you can hear that music in the background, that's good. If you can hear me, that's also good. Or yeah, that's subjective. But well, this previous pretty laggy. But hopefully it's working for you anyway. That's distracting just watching that, so I don't think I'll leave that on. But yes. Okay, so what we're going to do, this is a Baffle live stream, and basically what I've done, I've edited the Apple event, so I think it runs for like 40 so minutes or so, and what happens is, well, basically I've just edited it down, so it's just a little bit shorter. It's 14 minutes, so without any further ado, I think hopefully all the audio is working now. I did a live stream a few minutes ago, the audio wasn't even on or doing anything, so couldn't hear my mic, couldn't hear the stream, it was basically rubbish. So hopefully all the technical issues are all over, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's hope for the best. Let me just check my OBS. Yeah, things are moving.
It's time to talk about the Mac. In June, we announced that the Mac is taking another huge leap forward by transitioning to Apple Silicon.
The incredible performance, custom technologies, and industry-leading power efficiency.
It's pretty cool. They're actually developing their own chip now.
To announce our first step in this transition.
They're going away from Intel
for the Mac.
And they're building their own M1.
M1.
Sounds like a motorway in the UK.
Optimized for our most popular low-power systems, where small size and power efficiency are critically important.
Until now, a Mac needed multiple chips to deliver all of its features. It had chips for the processor, I/O, security.
Lots of chips going on.
Now with the M1, these technologies are combined into a single.
Put it all into one.
Delivering a whole new level of
That's pretty cool. Good for
more
portability,
efficiency, and amazing performance. M1 also features our Unified Memory Architecture, or UMA. All of the technology.
If you're wondering why this is so jumpy, it's because of my editing.
It between multiple pools of memory. This dramatically improves performance and power efficiency. M1 is the first personal computer chip built using the industry-leading 5 nanometer process.
5 nanometer?
And now with
That's
the
tiny.
Huge improvements in M1, when it comes to low-power silicon, our high-performance core is the world's fastest CPU.
Wow, that is a big claim.
And M1 has 4 of these.
Even better than Intel and AMD.
In fact, the M1 CPU leads the industry by delivering the world's best CPU.
This is so dramatic.
Let's take a look.
That's, yeah, it's a good battery life. Latest PC laptop chip, which is...
M1 delivers significantly
it's better than whatever that laptop. Is it an AMD one or an Intel one? I don't know. But apparently it's better than it. I know Apple love their statistics, but come on, just tell us what the chip is that you're comparing it to.
It's the most advanced.
They don't want to get sued, I don't think.
And with up to 8 of these GPU cores, M1 is capable of executing nearly 25,000 threads at a time.
Wow,
here is the
that is a lot.
Performance and power usage of
here we go, the latest laptop chip is back.
M1, with M1 delivering up to 2 times more graphics performance than the PC chip.
Yeah, integrated graphics on PC is not particularly great, let's be honest.
Computers, M1 has the world's fastest integrated graphics. M1
cool.
features our most advanced neural engine.
Question is,
with a 16-core design,
is it better than having a graphics card? I don't know. Probably not. That was a stupid.
Like video analysis,
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not talking about.
Will have a level of performance never seen before on the Mac.
I know they're trying to get Macs more into the gaming community.
Our latest generation secure enclave. It's faster than ever and brings best-in-class security to the Mac. With its 8-core CPU featuring the world's fastest CPU core, along with an 8-core GPU that delivers the world's fastest integrated graphics, M1 leads the industry in performance per watt.
That's some cool claims.
Big Sur has been built to
Here we go, it's the Mac OS now.
Introduces
Big
a bold
Sur.
new design. Powerful updates for apps like Safari and Messages, and the latest improvements to our industry-leading privacy features. Your Mac now instantly wakes from sleep.
This is so strange.
How cool is that? And Safari, which is
he likes it a bit too much, I think.
Browser, it's now 1.5 times speedier at running JavaScript and almost 2 times more responsive. The whole system is distinctly
Does that just mean it's faster than
and system animations
Chrome?
are buttery smooth. The sheer speed of M1 together with macOS technologies like Metal, deliver a huge boost to the most demanding apps. So you can render 3D animations or edit
Oh, that's
raw
a cool shape.
video
I don't know
footage
what
with
is that
ease.
shape.
And
Tell me in the
macOS gives
comments
apps
or chat.
access to more graphics memory than ever, unlocking
It's got a lot of sides.
breakthrough performance for tasks ranging from color grading 6K video to
Oh,
playing
6K they're showing off.
intensive games or performing real-time machine learning inference.
That's some ultra-wide
Big
clip as
Sur
well.
also features advanced power management, which intelligently allocates tasks between M1's performance and efficiency cores, automatically optimizing.
That's pretty
for
cool. So
lightweight
for basic
tasks
tasks,
like reading
it
a
saves the
note,
battery. You
or
don't need all that performance for
performance-intensive
basic tasks.
like
Well, that's
playing a
laggy.
game. So your Mac gives you
That is a bit
quiet
laggy.
performance and even better
Fair enough.
battery life. When it comes to security,
Maybe it's their
M1
screen
represents
capturing.
a major leap forward. This includes not only hardware verified
It could be my
secure
screen
boot,
capture. No, I think it is actually like that on the clip.
encryption for all your files, but also new security protections
Okay.
built deep
Secure
into the
boot.
code execution architecture
Hardware
of
verified.
M1, giving you the most advanced security of any personal computer. Of course, we've
fair
optimized
enough.
all of our apps for M1, from every app that comes with macOS to every other app made
Wow, they have
by
a lot of
Apple.
apps.
With Logic Pro, you can run up to 3 times more instruments and effect plugins.
Billie
And
Eilish.
Final Cut Pro can fly through tasks like rendering a complex timeline up to 6 times faster. Universal Apps
6
includes
times.
a native binary version built for Apple
This is pretty
Silicon,
cool.
as well as a native version for
So it
Intel
works with Intel
processors. For example,
and Apple
Omni
Silicon.
is bringing
Your
universal
stuff's not
versions
just
of
going
all
to
of
stop
their great
working.
Mac apps. And Adobe is bringing universal versions of their apps, starting with
Universal
Lightroom
is the
next
best
month,
option,
and
in
other
my opinion.
flagship apps, including
Improvement
Photoshop
is one thing,
early
but
next year.
things working on all
M1
your
systems,
devices even
Rosetta
better.
seamlessly runs apps built for Intel-based Macs. You can keep working on that Fusion 360 project and get to the next level of
Whoa.
your favorite game. For
What
the
game's
first
that?
time ever,
Let me know in
you
the
can run
chat.
your favorite
Let me know if you're
iPhone
watching
and
this live.
iPad apps directly
I
on
don't know
your
if anyone
Mac.
is, after, especially as last time my sound wasn't working. Probably copyrighted music. Wow, that looked painful. It looked like they sort of dropped it. That is thin. Yeah, there's no doubt about it, that is very
New
thin.
MacBook Air with M1.
With 8 incredibly powerful cores, the CPU soars to a whole new level of performance. That's up to 3.5 times faster than the previous generation.
Okay.
If you're editing family photos or exporting a video for the web with iMovie,
What?
the new Air blazes right through it. Or
Fair
if you're
enough.
working in Lightroom, you can manage huge raw libraries at unheard of speeds, turning your Air into a mobile photo studio. Air delivers
That's
up
pretty
to
cool
5
if
times
you want to take
faster
it.
graphics performance. That's
If you want
the
to take it with
biggest
you,
leap
if you
ever
have
for
mobile
MacBook
photography.
Air. So when it comes to gaming, you can play immersive, graphically intensive
What game's
titles
that?
at significantly higher frame
quite cool,
rates.
whatever it is.
You can edit multiple streams of full quality 4K ProRes video
4K.
without dropping a frame. When you compare
Is that
MacBook
DaVinci?
Air to the best-selling Windows laptop in its class, the new Air is up to 3 times faster. With M1,
Yeah, take that, Windows.
MacBook Air is faster than 98% of PC laptops sold in the
Whoa.
last year. Now let's
That-
talk
that is a-
about
that is a
neural
claim.
engine. With
98%.
16 cores, machine learning
I mean, there's
workloads are up to an
there's a lot of slow
astonishing
laptops out,
9
to be
times
honest.
faster than the previous
But
Air.
yeah,
So
there's a
apps
lot
like
of
Final
decent
Cut
laptops
Pro
as well.
that use ML-based features such as Smart Conform
Machine
to
learning.
intelligently frame a clip.
That's pretty cool.
do so
Framing
in
the
a
clip for
fraction of the
portrait.
time. Even storage gets a performance boost.
I could do that
With
for my
SSDs
TikTok.
that are up to 2 times faster. The new Air
2 times
delivers
faster
all this
SSD.
performance without a fan. So no matter
That
how
is
tough the
cool,
task,
without a fan.
MacBook Air is completely silent.
Especially if you want it
Also
to do
delivers
a lot of
extraordinary
complex
battery
tasks like
life,
video editing. That's
with up
pretty
to
impressive not having a
15
fan.
hours of wireless web browsing.
15
and up to
hours?
An amazing 18 hours of video playback.
Okay, okay.
That's 6 hours longer than before. And when you're video conferencing,
That
which
is,
can rapidly
is that
drain the
Netflix? 6
battery,
hours,
you can go up
Oh,
to
that-
twice as long on a single charge.
twice as long. That's
This
cool.
is the longest battery life ever in a MacBook Air. Image quality matters even more.
What was
So
this?
we're
The
excited that with
webcam.
M1,
I
Apple's
think they're trying
latest
to,
image
because
signal
a lot of people are
processor
doing
comes
video
to the
calls at the
Mac.
moment.
This
So this is
ISP
probably more
delivers
important
better
than
noise
ever before.
reduction and greater dynamic range for sharper images and more detail in shadows and highlights, as well
Cool.
as improved auto white balance.
So they're
combined
improving the
with
software. I don't know if the
ML-enhanced
webcam's
face
actually different, though.
detection, so you look more natural on your FaceTime calls. Everything looks stunning on the 13-inch Retina display, which now supports P3 wide color for even more vibrant, true-to-life images.
Decent
Air
colours.
delivers best-in-class security with features like Touch ID.
Ah, it's got
Completely
Touch ID
new
now.
level of performance
So you got your
are
fingerprint
delivered in a
recognition.
sleek wedge-shaped design. Along with
Cool.
its new features, the Air still starts at just $9.99.
No.
That's the new
It's not
MacBook
actually
Air.
$9.99. That'd be
With
pretty
M1,
cool.
it has
$9.99.
jaw-dropping performance. 3.5
Yeah,
times
it just starts
faster
at $10.
CPU, 5 times faster GPU, all in a silent, fanless design.
That is
Also
pretty
has
cool
more
for
vibrant
a
Retina display,
fanless laptop.
Improved camera quality and incredible battery life, up to 18 hours.
Yeah, I think that's the number one thing with the
MacBook
M1
Air.
chip is the battery life. That's what you're going to notice the most, Dave, basically. Well, here we go. Here's the Mac Mini. Does it actually glow from the bottom, or is that just their editing?
Mac Mini
That'd be pretty cool if it did glow from the bottom. I don't think it does though. I think that's just their
than the previous quad-core
editing.
version. So if you're a developer compiling 1 million lines in Xcode,
It
or
might
a
do, I don't know.
musician using Logic
They're
Pro
not showing it
to
now, so
take
I don't think
music
so.
production to a whole new level, performance never skips a beat. And the 8-core GPU
Reminds me of that Ollie Murs
gives the
song.
Mini a
Heart
gigantic
skips a beat.
6-fold increase in graphics performance.
6 times
with
faster
designing
graphics.
a
Wow, okay.
graphics-intensive game in
It
Unity.
is tiny, isn't it, the
Or,
Mac Mini?
when the
There's
work
no
is
doubt about
done,
it.
cranking up the graphics
Especially compared to a
settings
massive
while
monitor.
playing a great game like Baldur's Gate 3. If you compare Mac Mini to the top-selling PC
Oh, what computer is
desktop
that?
in its price range, the
can't
Mini
see.
is just 1/10 the size.
1/10.
And yet,
Oh,
it's up to
HP.
5 times faster.
Take that, HP.
Machine learning workloads take a
Neural
quantum
engine.
leap
They seem to be
forward,
big on the neural
with
engine
up
at the
to
moment.
15 times
Machine learning
faster
is
ML performance
massive at
than
the moment.
Previous generation,
Integrating
like
it into more
magically
apps than ever
increasing
before.
The resolution of a photo in Pixelmator Pro, and with the Mac Mini's
That's pretty cool,
advanced
increasing
thermal
resolution.
design, M1 is
So the Mac Mini does have a fan, but
easily
it's
sustaining its
I guess it's
breakthrough
very quiet.
performance, while the Mini stays cool and quiet. When it comes to
It's very
connectivity,
compact, isn't it?
There's an array of I/O, including 2 USB-C.
Oh, it's still got the
ports that now
3.5mm
support
headphone jack,
both
hooray!
Thunderbolt and USB
Still has
4,
Ethernet as
so
well.
you can
It still
access
has
a wide range of
decent
peripherals,
connectivity.
including the Pro Display XDR at a full 6K resolution.
6K,
Mac
that's a lot of
Mini now
resolution.
starts at just $699.
$699,
That's
okay.
$100 lower than the previous generation.
I was thinking that was
So
slightly
that's
different to
the
before.
mighty new Mac Mini, powered by the
60% more
M1
energy
chip,
efficient. That's pretty
takes
cool.
an enormous jump in performance with a
Gigabit
3
internet.
times faster CPU, 6 times faster GPU, and the neural engine that boosts ML performance up to 15 times.
Ooh. Whoa, that made me jump. Very cinematic. Here we go. We're going to the Pro side. Here we
Here's
go.
the new 13-inch MacBook Pro.
The 8-core CPU delivers up to 2.8 times faster performance.
Really cool.
This is game-changing for developers using Xcode who can now build their apps nearly 3 times faster than before.
Oh, okay.
And for photographers using Photoshop who can apply filters and effects to high-res photos faster than ever. The 8-core GPU is up to a whopping 5 times faster.
Ooh, 5 times faster
So whether
graphics.
you're using Shaper 3D to design a new product, or constructing an immersive new world in Cinema 4D, and when compared
That's
to the
pretty cool.
best-selling Windows laptop in its class, it's up to 3 times faster. The new 13
Yeah, I don't know what the
MacBook Pro
best-selling
can do
Windows
things
laptop is. Is
that
it a
no
Dell
other
XPS or something, or
compact
I don't
3-pound Pro
know.
notebook can do. Like playback 8K ProRes footage
Ooh,
in full
that's-
quality
that's cool, I like
in
that.
DaVinci Resolve
Autumn.
without dropping a single frame. Thanks to the neural engine, ML is up to 11 times faster than the previous generation. The new MacBook Pro
better machine
also
learning.
features an active cooling system. This allows it to sustain its
So
remarkable
this
pro
one does have a
performance
fan,
when ripping
but it's
through
quiet.
intensive tasks like video transcode in compressor. The new
I mean, I
MacBook
don't blame
Pro
it, to be honest.
delivers up to an
You need a
incredible
fan if you're doing
17
advanced
hours for wireless web browsing.
video
And up
editing
to
and stuff.
20 hours for video
Graphics,
playback. That's
3D
10 more
modeling and
hours
stuff.
than before. And that's the longest
You may not do, I
battery
don't
life
know.
ever in a
I've never
Mac.
used
The
this
new
chip
Pro
before.
also has studio quality mics with an
Studio
improved
quality
signal to
mics?
noise
Oh,
ratio,
okay.
and it benefits
Usually
from
built-in
the
mics are a
M1's
bit,
advanced
eh.
camera ISP. So when users are connecting with coworkers on video calls, they'll have sharper video with less grain and
Cool.
better contrast and detail in low light conditions. SIR and the Secure Enclave, you get best-in-class security features like Activation Lock, which helps protect your Mac if it's ever lost or stolen. And
Oh, that's
finally,
cool.
with its 2 Thunderbolt ports with USB
Security
4
and
support,
all that kind of stuff
the
is
new
brilliant,
Pro
especially for
connects
portable
to more
devices.
peripherals than ever, including
Definitely
the Pro Display
something you need.
XDR at full
Something if you
6K
don't want your
resolution.
devices getting
And
stolen.
with all this performance and new capabilities, the new Pro is still just $12.99. So that's the
$12.99.
new MacBook
Okay.
Pro. With M1, our
In terms
most
of design,
popular
it doesn't
MacBook
look
Pro
like it's
gets a
changed massively. I
tremendous
could be
boost
wrong, but
in CPU, graphics, and ML performance.
I think it's more
And
the
along
internals
with
which
its
have changed more than
studio
anything
quality
else, especially with the
mics
new
and
chip.
improved camera performance, It has the best battery life ever in a Mac.
We're also proud that these products have been carefully designed to support our net zero carbon goal. The cleanest energy is the energy you never
100% recycled aluminium. That's pretty cool.
M1, energy consumption is reduced by up to 60% when these products are in active use. These new systems with M1 join the rest of our Mac product line.
Whoa.
Including some phenomenal
including the
products
cheese grater and the iMacs, which, let's be honest, have quite a thick bezel by today's standards.
Stay well.
And there we go. Oh no, we're not finished yet.
Wait, one more thing. Hi.
Hello. Who are you?
Is there time for questions? Good, because I have one. Why? Why make all these advancements? What's the point? Right? Oh, you're so quiet now. Look, I'm a machine. I'm proud of it. That's my fan.
My computer likes to make noise.
Plug it in. Where are you going? Just plug it in. Fast. I'm fast. I'm still fast. Check it out. Still got it. PC. Still got it. I've always been there. I always will be. Fast.
This is what you should expect from an average PC gamer.
I gotta go plug in. Good luck.
He may look like a business guy, but he is a pro gamer. So, that is that. Hopefully you've enjoyed this live stream. And, bro, do you like the new iPad Pro? Bro, please shout out. Hello. I'm sorry, I'm going to mess your name up. Burhan Vlogs, that's it. Shout out to you. It's Travis. Hello. Oh, it's Tavis. I'm so bad at reading. Hello. Yes. Do I like the new iPad Air 4? Yeah, that does actually look pretty cool. It looks more like the Pro now, doesn't it? It's got the thin bezels and all that kind of stuff. Suggestions about iPad Air. Hi, Saction Boy. I'm Roy. I'm so bad at reading everyone's usernames. I'm sorry. Next thing I'm going to be saying my own username wrong. I'll be going Raffle or something like that. No. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching this live stream. Yeah, it's been kind of crazy and all that kind of stuff. Hopefully the audio's all working. From India. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hello, shout out to everyone watching in India. That is pretty cool. International. I'm in the UK, as you may know, as you may be able to tell. But yes, that's pretty cool. Hopefully you enjoyed the live stream, and that is that. Goodbye, everyone.